In this video, I'll show you how to set up Google Tag Manager for a website. Start by signing into your Google Tag Manager account. If you don't already have a container, click Create Account. Next, enter your account name, choose your country, and enter your website name as the container name. Select Web as the target platform, then click Create and accept the terms of service. After that, Google Tag Manager will display two code snippets. Install these snippets on your website using the method that works best for your platform. If you're using WordPress, you can add them with a plugin such as WP Code or a Google Tag Manager plugin. Other website builders may have a dedicated field for your Google Tag Manager ID. Now return to Google Tag Manager and click Preview. Enter your website URL to open Tag Assistant and verify that your container has been installed correctly. Next, once the connection is successful, go back to Google Tag Manager and click Submit. Enter a version name if you'd like, then click Publish to make your container live. Finally, your Google Tag Manager container is ready. You can now add tags for tools like Google Analytics 4, Google Ads, Microsoft Clarity, Metapixel, and many other services without editing your website's code again. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up Google Tag Manager for a website. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.